Sausage! Bloody hell!
Not bad!
Nice one, Basin Ed. What a sausage, Northern Rail. Sausage, no indication, straight into the middle. Flame wad. You have the radio on at work? You have the radio on at work and that. Where on earth is that sausage going? You see that? Yeah. Blatantly just like gone through the red and like turned right. That red van out of stuff. Sausage are rough. Look, when it's green you've got to go through it. Bloody hell, it smells. I see some sausage on the road like. Sausage! Red light runner! Bloody hell! Up more tea, Vicar!
And then it cuts back to the female lines. They're now about 6 feet from the wildebeest.